Today, I'm going to take a real trade that I did this week. And for beginners who know nothing about cash secured puts, CSP is the primary way that I like to play options safely by selling options, getting money by selling an option at a lower price than what the stock price is for that option. When I sell this put option, I get paid right away. That money drops into my brokerage account. It's not a whole lot of money, but I do many of these trades. This week I did 13 trades and collected over $1,000 in premium. And these are safer ways to play option. You collect little, you're not swinging for the fences, trying to hit that home run lottery ticket by doing options. So I like to distribute these lower risk across many trades and profit a little from each one. Collectively, they do add up, and I do this week after week. So the payouts I got were just this week alone. And today I'm going to walk through end to end how I did a PayPal trade, how I got money, and how I eventually got assigned to buy 100 shares of PayPal. Let's jump in. First screen I want to show you is on December 17th, last week on Wednesday. I had sold one contract. Here I sold one contract of PYPL, PayPal, and it was a strike price of $60. And that was December 17th. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the actual market price was on the 17th. So if I move the cursor right around there, it opened up at $61.39 and it closed at $60.18. You can see that I put a strike price at nearly the same price of the stock. It was what we call at the money put option because it was the same or close enough to the actual stock price. And then you can see here, I got paid $50 because I sold the option at $51. The commission for this trade was minus 65 cents, and there was a small fee. So the total came out to $50.34. This drops directly into my brokerage account. That happened on the 17th. On this screen, I will show you what happened on the 22. Well, today's the 21st, but 22 is tomorrow. And this is showing that I was assigned. I was assigned to buy 100 shares of PayPal at $60. All right, because the price of PayPal, if we look at the chart, and on Friday, it closed at $59.81. So 19 cents below my $60 strike price, which means I am obligated to pay $60. Someone exercised their put option. Someone had taken action on their put option to sell their PayPal shares at $60. So I buy it from them for $60 and it closed at $59.81. I eat up the difference. I lost, if I paid $60 and it closed at $59.81, I lose $19. However, I got paid $50 for selling the put option. So my real buy price is 60 minus 0.5, which is $59.50. So I'm still up by about 30 cents. And here's the last screen on PayPal that I want to show you. On Saturday, December 20th, Here is my notification to buy 100 shares of PayPal. And it says here, I will be filled to buy 100 shares at the strike price of $60. That's what I sold that one put option at, a strike price of $60. And you can see again the quantity 100 times 60. So this is the cash that they put aside. They locked it up just in case I got assigned, which I did. So now they will take out $6,000 from my account and give me 100 shares of PayPal. That's it for today. Just a quick look. If you found today's video helpful, interesting, please subscribe and watch my next upcoming videos where I talk about other trades. These are all real trades that I do, and I will see you in the next upcoming videos.